Hello everyone, and welcome to this session on the foundation of full stack development. I am Dr. Regina Anandi, Assistant Professor, Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today we will explore what full stack development really means and the essential skills needed to build complete web applications. Modern web applications are becoming more dynamic and complex. Users expect fast performance, smooth interfaces, and secure systems and easy access across devices. To meet these expectations, developers must understand not just one part of the development, but the entire pipeline from the user interface to the server and to the databases. This is exactly where full stack development becomes important. Let's begin by understanding the expectation on both sides. User wants simplicity, speed, and reliability. They don't care about how the system is built. They just want it to work. Developers, however, need to think about the structure, performance, scalability, security, and long-term maintainability. Balancing these needs is what shapes a good full-stack applications. With these needs in mind, the goal became clear. We must build applications that are visually appealing on the front end, functionality strong on the back end, and supported by a reliable database layer. This requires understanding how these layers interact and how to design them effectively. Once the requirements are clear, the next step is choosing the right tools and technologies. In full stack development, this means identifying which frameworks to use for the front end, which runtime and server technology to use for the backend, and what type of database suits the application. This planning stage helps ensure that all parts of the system work smoothly together. The front end is what the user directly interacts with us. So, this includes the layout, design, styling, and interactive elements of the website. It is built using HTML for structure, CSS for styling, and JavaScript for interactivity. A strong front end ensures that the user has a smooth and enjoyable experiences. Now comes the backend. So the backend handles the logic and operations that users do not see. It processes requests, manages authentication, communicates with databases, and returns results to the front end. Technologies like Node.js and Express allow us to build efficient backend system. A strong backend ensures the applications run reliably and securely. Now there's a different database types. Databases store and organize applications data, whether it's user information, payments, product listing, or messages. Everything needs to be stored safely and retrieved quickly. So databases can be relational or non-relational, and choosing the right one helps in building fast and scalable applications. In the MERN stack, MongoDB is commonly used. Here's what the full stack workflow cycle. So this full stack development brings together the front end, back end, and database into one unified system. Each layer has a specific responsibility, but they work together to deliver a complete web application. This holistic understanding is what makes full stack developers highly valuable in the industry. So before building a full application, it's common to create a simple working model or a prototype. So this helps visualize the flow of the data, the interaction between the layers, and the layers user's journey. Prototyping helps catch use issues early, and it ensures the system is designed thoughtfully, before full development begins. For your activity, try exploring any modern website using the browser's developer tools. Check how the interface is built, how requests are sent to the server, and how data is fetched. This is real time observation, will help you to understand how the three layers of full stack development work together. Now, let's quickly summarize. What we covered today, we discovered the need for full stack development, the challenges developers face, the expectation of the modern users. These are the things we have recapped quickly. So we studied the core components, front-end, back-end, databases. We also looked at how these parts connect to form complete web application. So this foundation prepares you for deeper learning in the MERN stack. Thank you for joining this session on the foundation of full stack development.